Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing the Type-C connector. Work methodically. First, power off and remove the SIM tray, then unthread the tiny screws, keep them sorted. Use a plastic spudger to lift the back cover without bending clips because cracked clips make reassembly harder. Once the board is visible, inspect for corrosion, missing solder, or a broken jack. If you see residue, gently clean with isopropyl 90% and a soft brush. Then dry thoroughly before continuing, so solder bonds reliably. You now remove the faulty jack. Precision is critical. Heat the solder joints evenly, either with hot air at a safe temperature or a fine tip iron and desolder braid, so you avoid lifting pads. While heating, gently lift the jack with ESD tweezers. If it resists, stop and reapply heat because forcing damages traces. Once removed, clean pads with flux and solder wick, then inspect with magnifier for torn copper. Make sure pads are flat and clean, so the new jack sits flush and solders reliably. You place the new jack and solder it precisely. Hold the connector aligned, tack one corner to secure orientation, then solder each pad cleanly. Avoid cold joints and bridges. Once soldered, reassemble enough to power on and test with a known good headset. Check left/right audio and mic continuity. If audio fails, reflow suspicious joints, test pad continuity with a multimeter, and inspect for tiny solder bridges or debris. If hardware checks out, make sure software settings and firmware aren't disabling the jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.